In this video, we'll see the SOV review, approval, and rejection workflows. Let's navigate to the schedule of values and look for an SOV submitted and waiting for review. In this case, a subcontractor has submitted an SOV to GC for approval. The division of the SOV is doors, windows, and hardwares, and its value is $12,000. Here you get to see all the details with respect to the SOV, like the scheduled value, cost impact, revised scheduler value, and few other important details. The cost impact and revised scheduler value come into play when we have a signed change order. Currently, we can see that the cost impact is 0, and this is the first SOV between the subcontractor and the general contractor. Let's click on the scheduler values and open it, and we can see the status as approval pending. So when the owner reviews the SOV from the GC or the GC when they review the subcontractor SOV, they can just go through the numbers against each line item or subline item, and if they have any comments, they just click on the comments at the top of the screen to add their comments. Let's add a random comment here saying, "Can you please add with regards to 8.7.1?" and click Post. Automatically, the comment has been posted. Now the subcontractor gets to view this comment real time. Let me log in as a subcontractor. Now we can see that there is one unseen comment and the SOV is still in pending status. So subcontractor can give more details by responding to this comment. This allows easy communication between the GCs and subs on the issues with respect to the SOV right here. Now let me log in back as a GC, and now if the GC clicks reject, then the SOV is reopened for the subcontractor to edit and make required changes and resubmit for approval. Let's click reject and add a comment. Let's say add more detail breakup for 8.7.1 and click confirm. Now you can see that the SOV is in rejected status and the subcontractor gets to see the status as rejected. Now let's log in as a subcontractor again. Now we can see that the SOV is in rejected status and the subcontractor gets to see the status as rejected. Now let's click on the SOV to open, and we can see that the SOV is now open to edit and make changes. The sub can check the status and go back to editing that. They can create one more custom task by giving a more detailed breakup for the line item. Let's say I click on Add Divisions, go back here, 8.7, and let's say I select this category as well, Storefront and Glass, click Select. Automatically, you will see that that specific line item that we've selected gets added to the SOV. So now I'm going to break up this $5,000 into $3,000 into $1,000 and now click Submit. You will get an option here which gives you a basic information detail about the SOV, and it asks you to select the approver. In this case, it's the general contractor, and it also allows you to select the payment app workflow for this SOV. It's selected to express a payout because this was what was pre-selected on the SOV when it was created. However, you can go ahead and choose one of the two and proceed with Submit. Here you go. You see that the status changes to SOV resubmitted. Now let's go ahead and log in as the general contractor and see how it looks like from the general contractor view. This time, let's go ahead and click Approve and add a comment saying values are approved. Any changes to this will be via change request and click Confirm. The schedule of values is now approved and the contractor cannot edit these. From here, any change that needs to be made to this contract must go through a change request. This is how we can review, approve, or reject the scheduler values in SuperConstruct.